Is just around the corner. Let's get ready for it with some beach waves. Today we're going to use the automatic curling wand from Numi. To get the ultimate volume, I'm using the 32mm barrel. Grab out a section of your hair, and the rule of thumb, don't make the section bigger or thicker than your curling barrel. Start curling away from your face. Keep the curling iron there for just a few seconds, then push the home button, and let the curls down. You're going to do the same thing with the other side, curling it away from your face. We're going to curl away from the face. The next curl is going to be towards your face. We're going to alternate. This will add some volume to your hair. With this top layer, you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to have a curl going away from your face and a curl going towards your face. To make it a little more flirty, I suggest doing a section of the hair that is actually a little bit smaller than the barrel. Now, I know what you're thinking. These are not beach waves. You are absolutely right. The magic of beach waves comes once your hair has cooled, so don't touch it yet. You're going to need your curl comb. And here's what you're going to do. Start from the bottom and gently comb it out. Now see how every other one has given it a little bit of texture and a little bit of flounce? What do we think? Comment below and follow for more.